Oh no! Uh-oh!
Oh no! My UTV! It was buried in the mud! Excavator, I need your help. Okay, I'll be right there. You see, UTV is all buried in mud. I'm going to dig up the dirt first. Now let's see if we can pull UTV out. No, we need to dig more dirt. That should be all right now. I'll try again. Oh no! UTV won't start. We need the rescue of trailer. Trailer's here. Let's load UTV. It's loaded and ready to be towed away. I'll clear this dangerous hillside again. Bulldozer, come and help me load the dirt.
Uh-oh!
Oh no! The wheel of Bulldozer fell off. You see, this wheel is broken. Trailer, please get a new wheel over. Okay, no problem. Excavator, new wheels arrive. Okay, I'll move the old wheels first. Lift the new wheels off. We put new wheels on the bulldozer. Bulldozer. You can drive up to have a try.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, the new wheel is broken again. Had to tow back to the repair shop. We lifted Bulldozer onto the trailer. Trailer loaded. Almost forgot there is a tire. All installed. You can go. I have to get the oil drums to the site. Huh? Why is the bridge so broken? I have to drive carefully. Oops, I'm stuck here. More power.
Oh no!
Help! Help! I flipped! Don't worry, I'm coming to save you. The oil drums are scattered. It's on fire. I had to go over and put out the fire. Put out the fire, finally! I have to pull transporter up. Come on, come on! It's done! Excavator, can you help me load the oil drums on the truck? Yeah, no problem. Let me hook up a drum. Put it on the carriage. Oh, here's another one. Put it on the carriage. Oh no! The bridge is still broken. It's dangerous. Don't worry. I'll help you fix the bridge. Let's check what materials we have. Oh, there's a pile of wood. Hook up a piece of wood. Take it to repair the bridge. It's done. You can pass. Okay, thank you. I have to drive carefully or I'll be in trouble. Arrived at the site. Reverse. Unload the oil tank. Here. Finish the task. Bye-bye. Oh no! Transporter got stuck in the mud. I have to save it. see if I can push Transporter out. Still no. We have to think of other solutions. Here are some rocks. There's a way. We can put up some rocks. Transporter, you're feeling up now and moving forward. Oh, Transporter can't get out on its own. I'll go and give it a tug. Yeah, look, Transporter is safe. The fruit tree is unloaded. Let's plant it. Well, the first fruit tree is planted. Oh, look! All the fruit trees are planted. My job is done. Oh no! The car is on fire! Go and put it out! Help! Help! Somebody help me! I need to get the injured back to the hospital. What about the crash car? Wrecker, I need your help here. Let me get the crash car out of here. All right, Wrecker, you tow it away. Wrecker, you back up a little bit. I'll get rid of the elephant. Elephant, elephant, please get out of the way. Wrecker, the elephant runs away. The goods must be delivered today. Huh? What's that sound? Oh no! It's Tyrannosaurus Rex! Turn off the engine! Don't let it find me! Oh no! He's found me! Run! Tank! Tank! Please help me drive away it! Okay, no problem. Aim! Fire! Tyrannosaurus Rex has escaped! Thank you, Tank. The bridge has been damaged heavily. I'll have to drive more carefully.
Oh no!
I need help! I need help! Don't worry, I'm coming! The carriage is overturned. I'll pull you up first. Pull back hard. Finally, we're up. Get over here and fix it. Clean up the broken bridge. Timber truck, pull the wood over here. All right, let's go. Get over here and unload the wood. Hook up a thick one. Let's build the bridge. Hammer it sturdily. My task is finished. I will go back. Transporter, it is fixed. You can drive across. Okay, thank you, Excavator. I have to drive more carefully. Finally cross the wooden bridge. The animals are being transported to the farm today. The animals are all loaded. Let's go! Drive carefully. Yikes! Yikes! Help! Help! Huh? Someone yelled for help. I have to take a look. take the injured back to hospital for treatment. Huh? Why did the UTV flip over? I'll dive down and have a look. Right, UTV first. Oh no! UTV is broken. Transporter, get over here and help! Now load UTV onto carriage. Here we go, transporter. Take it to the repair factory. I'm gonna follow too. Let's unload UTV. The repair is done. Can we see if we can start? Start on success. You see, I'm going to move this lumber today. Start loading. Huh? Listen! What is that noise? Oh, it's an elephant! Turn off Excavator quickly! Don't scare the elephant! Whew, the elephant is gone at last. Did you hear that? What's the noise this time? Oh no! It's a tiger! Shh! We can't let the tiger find us. Ah! Tiger, get out of here! tiger is gone at last. You see, the lumber is loaded into the carriage and ready to go. Start digging! The carriage is full and ready to go. Somebody help me! Don't worry, we're here to save you! We have to lift Excavator before we can save people. Rescue's done! We need to get back to the hospital. Load wood on the carriage. Hook the wood up. Carry it to the carriage. Load it on the carriage. I want to go to the bathroom. Hey! The driver walked away. Nobody around here. I want to steal transporter. Transporter is not full yet.
Bye.
Oh no! My car! Tank! Fire to stop it! Got! It goes away! Hello? My car's been stolen. Okay, we're going after it. Thief, stand! Hey, can you catch me? I'll stop him at the intersection. No, there's a police car ahead.
Oh no!
Police car is overturned. Don't worry, I help you. Excavator, block the thief ahead. Got it. I'll go right now. Keep chasing him.
Bye.
I stop here to block the thief. Huh! Excavator is here!
Uh-oh.
Thief, you have nowhere to go! Come here! All right. I'll take the thief back to the police station.